Welcome everyone to another episode of me opening AliExpress deals. Let's get straight into this and see what I got this time. Alright, there it is, the first item. I got this before. It is a pillow for my car seat. I actually have 5 seats total, sort of. You know, the 2 in the front and then the back bench seat. It's actually it has 3 headrests, so I need one more for the middle headrest. So it's a pillow cover. I mean, what do you call it? A pillow headrest. Yeah, there you go. A headrest pillow. So this one right here, $1.59 for one piece. $1.59 for one piece. All right, next up is, as you can see, I did get this before. This one is the 520 model, and it came in. This was the original 520 that I got. As you can see, it's the large size compared to the other smaller ones, and big one with the zoom. This one doesn't have zoom, but it has. See both the front and the side light at the same time. Flashes, of course, and then black or UV light. So pretty cool for this. This one right here goes for, I believe, $1.89 for this. So that was practically a very good deal that I had to get it. $1.89 each. I believe I got 2 of them. It's a USB rechargeable Type C right there, and then it has the clip right here, and then this, I explained this before. You're gonna get your own lanyard and do this type of lanyard. It doesn't hold up, so I suggest you get your own lanyard. But $1.89, I got 2 of them. Pretty cool. The large piece one. Okay, this one right here, empty box, so that means it fell out somewhere. But this one right here is the 520, I believe the 520. Let's see, here's the second piece, and it's somewhere in there. I believe I'll find it later, but I got 2 of them, as you can see right there. This is the 520C. It may be the regular one, or if not, I'll take a look at it to see if it matches what I got. Or 520, I believe I ordered a 520D, not the 520C. So we'll find out. Now this one right here, this is the wire cutter, come with the cover on it, but I got this a while back, I believe in green. This one's in red, to have it in my toolbox, because yeah, I mean, this one right here, I got it for $1.29 for it, $1.29. The reason I like it, you see how it's flat and it curves, has an angle curve, so when you cut your zip ties and stuff, sometimes it's really flat. So you need a nice tight space for it. So right there, $1.29 for this. Not too bad. Comes with its own cover. Cool. Next up is a USB charger. Now I got this before also. I got them again because I like them so much. Now the type that I got right here, I'll show you real quick. This one right here is basically 6 feet long, or about 2 meters. I got it in purple just to, make a difference in my coloration of my USB cables. But the reason I like this one right here, it has a auto shut off built in. So, you're charging your phone And not to mention, this is one rated at 100 watts max, output. But besides that, like I said, it has an internal chip that auto shuts off when you're charging your device. When your device is fully charged, this one shuts off. So that's the reason I like it a lot. Not to mention it's 2 meters or 6 feet, and yeah, 100 watts. Now this one right here, I got it for, I believe, $2.09. $2.09 for it. So pretty cool. Okay. Next up is, what is this thing? Oh, this one right here is a, butane gas refilling kit. Your regular butane tank or can. Uh, yeah, I'll leave them in here. But as you can see, it's a refill kit. Has 2 nozzles and one release valve, something you call it. But it's meant for your butane can, that you could use it to refill your butane lighters, butane torch. So this one right here, it was listed at 94 cents each. 94 cents for a kit. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna use it on my butane cans that I have for my stoves, portable stoves, and then use those to refill my lighter or torches. There you go, 94 cents for a kit. Next up is a USB extension adapter, male to female. Right there, as you can see, male to female. This one right here, I believe it was, yeah, it's 2 meters long for this, just for an extension adapter. So it works well with this. Pretty cool. $1.89 for this. Okay. This right here, I believe it's electronic spark lighter. I'm not sure if it has batteries in there or if it has some sort of motor or something, but you can see right there, it's a spark, so portable igniter. Let's see, there you go. Not too bad. This is great for camping or anywhere else where you need a spark to light up your gas. Not too bad. Now this one right here, I got it at the deal, $1.89 for this. $1.89 comes with the lanyard. So pretty cool. Now this right here, this item, and you can see it's self-explanatory. It's basically an adapter that goes onto your butane can and then turns it into a torch. I'm sure you've seen them at restaurants. They use these at restaurants where they have the butane can, and then they put this on. It's becomes a torch, and then they torch the whatever food display that they have that requires a torch for it. But yeah, this one right here went for $2.62. $2.62 for a butane torch gun head adapter, I guess you call this. So not too bad, pretty cool. I'm gonna try it out, and it has kit and everything for my lighter. And this one right here, this is a mini door light. I'm trying to see if this is gonna be in white. I believe I got this before, and Last time it was sort of like different colors, but I wanted regular white. But let's see. Let's see if we get it all white. The way that this lights work is, you put it on your door, and then there's a magnetic piece that also that you get for it, which is right here on the back of the battery. Interestingly enough, there you go. And okay, did I put the battery wrong? Yes, I did. There you go, white light. And the way it works, here's the magnet. You put this on one side of your door and it shuts it off when you open it. So that's pretty cool. And the light will flash, then stays on, and then I believe after a minute or two, see how it changes its display. But after a minute or two, after it stays on constantly, it shuts off by itself. So that actually helps save the battery power. But the battery itself, I believe it's a C2032 common battery for your remote control, for the car and everything. But yeah, you might as well get yourself an extra sets of 2032 C2032. Yeah, but that's pretty cool. Okay, let me turn this off. Pretty cool. Now this one right here, $1.61 for this. $1.61. I'm gonna possibly get more for that deal. All right. Now here is the second piece of that flashlight that I ordered previously before. Yeah, this one is, I believe this is the 520D. Yeah, 520D. I got two of them. It's listed at the time that I got it for $2.88. $2.88, which is a little bit less than I previously got it before. But when I saw it for that price, I got two more of this. So $1.88. So yeah, cool. Okay. All right, here's that first piece that I missed, that was missing. Okay, here's the charger. I believe that is it. Okay, last item. Now this one right here is a drill adapter to make your drill turn into a what do you call it? Grinder. You could put your grinding head on here, and then there you go. It goes into your drill. I believe this is 3/8 right here. But yeah, it's a drill adapter set with the tools and hardware. Turn your drill into a grinder, angle grinder. So pretty cool, not too bad. There you go, guys. Angle grinder set. Now this one right here, the adapter, $2.29 for a drill angle grinder adapter kit for your portable drill. Pretty cool. All right. It's kind of messy, but that's all right. All right, guys, there it is. Join me till next time. Peace.